Welcome back to Drive Pulse. Today, we're diving into a true classic, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429, inspired by the legendary 1970 model. This car isn't just a nod to the past, it's a perfect blend of retro styling and modern performance that's sure to ignite the passion of muscle car enthusiasts. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Boss 429 retains the aggressive stance and bold lines that made the original so iconic. The wide body and sculpted hood give it a muscular appearance, while the classic Boss badging pays homage to its heritage. Up front, the sleek LED headlights and a modern grille bring it into the present without losing that vintage charm. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, this beast packs a formidable punch. The 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine delivers over 700 horsepower, allowing it to dominate both the track and the street. The roar of the exhaust is music to any car lover's ears, reminiscent of the raw power that defined the muscle car era. Inside, the cabin combines comfort and technology seamlessly. Leather seats, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and driver-focused controls create an engaging driving experience. Plus, with advanced safety features, you can enjoy this powerhouse with peace of mind. What truly sets the 2025 Mustang Boss 429 apart is its driving dynamics. With a finely tuned suspension and rear-wheel drive, it offers precise handling and an exhilarating ride. Whether you're taking it for a leisurely cruise or pushing it to its limits on the track, this car delivers. So, what do you think? Is the new Ford Mustang Boss 429 worthy of its legendary name? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content from Drive Pulse. Thanks for watching.